So here's more on my Robinhood account. So again, I'm not really a stock investor or broker or anybody who can really give you advice on stocks. Currently, I'm trying something out. I'm experimenting with something. I've been doing research on dividends and seeing when they do payouts. So if you actually were to look through my portfolio here, see, I don't really have a lot of money invested. I'm not even buying full stocks on a lot of this stuff, but I'm testing something out where each one of these companies pays a dividend different times of the year, and I'm trying to amass a 365-day dividend payout, meaning basically that I will get paid a dividend every single day of the week or every single day of the year, what have you. You can go down a little farther. You got your blue chip stocks right here. These are your a lot of your old school stocks in the most part. Apple, Microsoft, stuff like that. I've also got, I call it the, here we go. If I can get this to open. I call this my monthly because so far each one of these dividends has paid out on a monthly basis. A lot of them are REITs, a lot of them are RTFs. They do pay out every month, which is nice. Still not making the amount of money that say I would on crypto, but let's see if we can find something a little bit more. So currently, I got a bunch of pending stuff coming in. These are dividends that I got coming in for the month of April so far. So it's like, again, I don't have a lot invested, so I'm not going to really be getting a lot back. But 2 cents with Altaria. Prospect Capital is paying me 10 cents. Horizon Technologies 1 cent. 10 cents for Stella Capital Investment. Again, I'm not an investment guy. I couldn't tell you how to invest your money. I really couldn't. But this is what I'm doing. Again, kind of seeing if it's possible to get enough stock to where you're getting some kind of money every day just to create an overall passive income lifestyle. If it works, cool. If it doesn't, well, then you'll hear it from me first that it doesn't work and you won't have to waste your time. That's what this channel is all about. Trying to save people money, trying to save people time, trying to make people money while saving them time. But that's about the gist of Robinhood, or at least my Robinhood experience with investing. Again, like I said before, I'm not a broker or anything like that, so I can't tell you what to do with your money. This is just something I'm trying out because I thought the idea of getting dividends every day would be a really cool thing. So, so far I've covered a lot of days of the year. I still haven't covered all 365, but you can see for the month of April, there's the 30th, the 22nd, the 16th, the 15th, 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 the 12th, and the 5th. So I still got a lot more days to cover. Once I do get all 365 days covered on dividends, I'll probably have to move stuff around a little bit because every year they do change sometimes. So I always have to keep my ear to the ground on what new stocks are out there, or at least, the payment date of dividends on some of these and see which ones I might have to move around. But so far it's been pretty fun. Again, I said it in one of my videos, you can make money fast, you can make money fun. Well, making money without having to really do anything is actually fun to me. So it's just something I'm throwing out there to the rest of y'all. So like I said in past videos, Robinhood has an affiliate program. You can invite people, get free stock. Right now they have a deal where if you invite people, you get 3 free stocks. So it's a good way to get your portfolio started. Jump on Robinhood. You can use my affiliate link, or you can just go download the app yourself. If you download my link, you'll be hooking me up with 3 free stocks. That's what all these YouTubers are doing right now. They're just trying to pass out the information. they get free stocks. I don't care what you do. You could use my affiliate link. Awesome, man. If not, it's in your app store. Get it. If you have any questions, by all means, please join the Discord. I'm here for answering questions to the best of my ability. And or if you have apps or you found a website that you want to look into, but you don't want to actually waste your time or money looking into it, by all means, shoot me a link. I'll go take a look at it. That way so you don't have to waste your time or money, and I'll give you a full report. Also, if you have any affiliate links, I welcome them on my Discord channel because, anybody who's a member of the Mascorp family, we're all about trying to help one another out. I mean, you might send us an affiliate link to something that could help out the rest of us, so I'm not going to knock anybody's affiliate links off the list. Some guys are gamers. They like to go on those Salad and Prize Rebel, and I'm more than willing to help them out, and so is the rest of the community. And we're all just pretty much becoming one big family and trying to work towards the ultimate goal, which is a lifestyle of passive income. It's coming together slowly, but nothing great happens over time. So again, if you want to try Robinhood out, link will be down in the description, or you can find it in your app store. You're more than welcome to give her a go, and I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that I can give you the latest in passive income earning. Do daily, weekly, and monthly updates on all my earnings. And if you want even more information, join our Discord with Mascorp Real Money Talk. Everyone's welcome. We highly encourage advice. We highly encourage helpful knowledge, and we're always here to learn more and help best way we possibly can. So if you could, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Y'all have a blessed day. Mascorp out.